he's dumping. All right, so here's what we're doing here. We got a bad tooth. And I'm sure you guys have been watching, and well, the tooth is not right around the corner, unfortunately. So we're gonna fix it.
There it goes.
There it goes. Looks like it's got to turn a little bit. See how it's like hitting there?
I think the mud's fighting us.
Yeah, maybe we got to hit it straight down. Not that. Boy, it looks close, doesn't it? Certainly slid in easy. It looks like the key needs to be turned a little bit more, though.
Yeah?
Oh, there it goes. See what you got there.
See, these get worn away.
Yeah.
But it was enough to get us through.
Yeah. Here's what I'll tell you. This was out on a good dig. I would say this was all the way out like this.
Oh, yeah.
Really bad.
I know, like a month ago when I switched it, I was like, I can't work like that. I was worried about breaking the inside. You know?
Ooh. These things weigh about, what do you say? How much do you think these things weigh?
I don't know. They're pretty heavy, though. It's amazing how worn out they are.
About 20 pounds, maybe? Yeah, got it cleaned right out.
Oh, good.
Can I put these in either way, Sean? No, I guess not. I guess not. You don't think so? Can I put them in that way and put the key in this way? Only because it gives me a little more outside.
I don't want to put the used one in.
Well, we already used that one. We tried that one already. I wonder if that wouldn't have changed things, though. Just to flip it around like that.
Yeah, I don't know. Billy might know.
It's amazing how nice the new stuff goes right in.
Yeah.
It's probably because we wore the hell out of it. You might have to go the opposite way on this one, though.
Maybe so.
Because we're going backwards.
Right.
Or is the slot, maybe the slot is filled with material. Oh, it's already upright. That's got to be turned down here to start.
No, it goes like that.
Oh, it goes in? It goes in?
Yeah, you only do a 90-degree turn on it.
Oh, okay. So it's got to go down. Here's the groove here. Little groove right there.
And that won't go. That's locked.
It won't go that way?
No.
All right, so we got to flip it around.
That's Jason.
Just in case you ever need to repair your tooth on your giant Komatsu.
I want payment.
You want payment? You'll get payment when I get payment. I haven't seen a dime of this. It's been fun. That's about my only payment is it's been fun. All right, so we got that in. And that's going to hold a lot better.
What are you doing?
What do you mean? What are you doing? Everybody wants to know what you're doing. So we're greasing the tracks here. And what we do is when we grease the tracks, it expands them and tightens them up. The grease spinning down in there. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, funny. Yeah, that thing sounds like a little wacky, doesn't it? These tracks are filthy. That doesn't sound real good though, does it, the unit?
No. Looks like it's going in.
Did something break off?
That doesn't look so good though. Oh, it's just coming out there, isn't it?
Yeah, something's wrong.
Well, it's so cold it might not be going through at all.
That could be too. We'll have to get our main man out here to clean the tracks out, but it's not going to be fun and it's only going to get colder.
This thing takes like at least 3 tubes of grease.
For the entire machine?
Yeah.
It's amazing, you know, we've had all kinds of straps on this thing, this thumb, and we could not keep that thing from clanking around. The thumb wasn't specific for this machine, so we had to have the welder come in and set it up.
Now it's empty.
Now we're empty. Okay.
I got another tube.